it's July 14th, 2019. This is high peak number 9 for me, Colvin Mountain. I'm dedicating this hike to Diane and Dan, who celebrated their 28th year wedding anniversary yesterday. And Diane and I have been friends for 38 years, so here's to the next 38.
All right.
Okay.
And she has an audience. Yay!
Okay.
You're on.
Okay. This is Blake Mountain, high peak number 10. It is still July 14th, 2019. I'm dedicating this hike to Jake, who is my personal trainer, and he unequivocally always said yes when I asked him if he thought that I could do the high peaks. So I hope I'm making you proud, and done with number 10.
And we're glad.
Want to do it again?
No, I don't know if you wanted to add to it.
I don't know if I can. Maybe I have to do the whole thing again. Okay. Hi, this is High Peaks number 10, Blake Mountain, and I'm with Karen, and I'm dedicating this hike to Jake, my personal trainer, who always has faith in me. And every time I ever asked, do you really think I can do the high peaks? He always unequivocally said yes. So I hope I'm making you proud.
And?
Yeah.
Okay.